Hi there, students. A lodestone. A lodestone. Okay, we use this word metaphorically to talk about something that is that attracts everybody's attention, something that is the center of attention or the focus of attention. So, trying to do the right thing should be your lodestone in life. It should be the thing that you focus on, the thing that attracts you forward. Okay, so it's the thing that you focus on. I don't know, Stonehenge acts as a lodestone for many people on the longest day, I think 23rd of June. Okay, so it's a lodestone. It attracts people. People go there. I think, unfortunately, for many people, money is the lodestone of their lives. It's the thing that people have as the focus of their attention. 6 pictures by Leonardo da Vinci were the lodestone of the exhibition. Okay, notice I said at the beginning we use this metaphorically. So a lodestone, the real meaning of a lodestone, it's a natural occurring magnet. Yeah, it's made of magnetite normally. Yeah, and the lodestone was very important a long time ago because they used a lodestone or a piece of lodestone to navigate with. Yeah, if you can put a piece of wood with a lodestone on top of it in a piece of water, you can find which way is north. Okay, and therefore it's the magnet. So the lodestone tells you which way to navigate. Okay, it's this naturally occurring piece of rock, and that's where compasses originally came from. You can also actually have the word a lodestar. This is a star that you use when you are navigating. So if you look for the pole star, that could be your lodestar, and that you could use to tell you in which direction to navigate. Okay, but that's all very technical or old. Today, a lodestone is something that attracts people. Yeah, something that attracts very strongly. Her beauty acts as a lodestone for all the men who see her. His handsomeness is a lodestone for all of the women around. Okay, so it's something that has the power to attract very strongly. Yes, improving your English is clearly a lodestone for you. And I hope the quality of my videos is a lodestone for you to come and listen to what I'm saying. Okay, so it's the objective, it's the thing that you're attracted by, the thing that is the focus of your attention. Okay, so a lodestone, something that attracts your attention. Yeah, it's very attractive to you. Maybe pheromones act as a lodestone to attract females or males in the animal kingdom. Yeah, I think the reduction of global warming should be a lodestone for all of us, but I think really we're focusing more on our everyday lives, and I think that's the problem. Okay, so something that's a lodestone, something that's a magnet, it's the focal point, it's the beacon that everybody is trying to follow. Okay, so a lodestone. Yes, So as to origin, okay, we've got the Middle English word load, which is a guide, and this comes from this idea of the lodestone, which is the magnet which you're using as a compass. Lode used to mean a journey or a way, yeah, and the lodestone, the compass, is the thing that shows you your way. And then stone, yeah, it's just a stone, but it's magnetic. Now, what about formality? This sounds a little bit literary. I think I'd probably give it something like 7 in formality, maybe 6.5. I don't think I'd use it in an informal conversation. I think I would restrict this to semi-formal or formal writing. Okay, so the lodestone, the focus your attention, the thing that draws you forward, the thing that attracts you. It's the most important thing. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lodestone.